Good morning, ladies and gents. Another fine morning here in Vegas, well, Nevada. Not really in Vegas right now. I'll show you where we are right there. Hey, might not be familiar with this place. This is the viewing platform or viewing bridge, viewing deck. Not exactly sure what it's called. For the Hoover Dam. So Hoover Dam does not open until around 9 a.m. Currently around 8:25, so we got 30 minutes here, but we can see a very good view of the Hoover Dam over here. So right there, guys. A lot of walking though. That's the parking right there, guys. You can see not a whole lot of people yet. Journeys and heroes. Well, it's not really well maintained, is it? Best crossing site. The contractors protected or removed the native plants before building, collected many plants and stored them in a nursery. Okay. And apparently they replanted it after. Wow, look at that. What is that? Oh wait, this is the thing that prevents the mountain from crumbling, right? Yeah. I've heard about this. So basically you have a bunch of really long, just basically metal, and then you insert it onto the mountains at certain areas, and it holds down the mountain. So look at that. Some more here. Over there. Mike O. Callaghan Memorial Bridge. So that's what this bridge is called. Mike Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. That's two guys, and this bridge is made in memory of them. So here's the view, guys. You can already see it from here. Alright, they give you like a sneak peek. We're so high up that my knees are, or my feet are wobbly because of how high we are. Ooh. Oh my goodness, guys. Yo, my feet is... It's like I'm losing strength just walking on this side. Wow. Hold on. Adjust you guys right here. There you go. Man. You know, they said they replanted the trees or whatever, the shrub, or like the local fauna. I don't know, man. I don't see it. Where is it? It's just all rocks and soil and more rocks. I don't know. I don't see nothing. You guys can't feel it, but every time a car passes by, the bridge just shakes so much. Especially when it's a truck, like a big truck, just shakes too much. And looking down from this angle, guys, it's making me like I said, lose my strength in my feet. Anyways, we're gonna start going down there. That's all actually where the cafe and the tour starts. So we're gonna go down there before it gets too busy, and maybe we'll eat breakfast. We haven't eaten anything yet, so you know. See you down there. Alright, we are currently at the parking lot for the Hoover Dam. In case you guys are wondering, right there. Hoover Dam is just down there. There's the bridge we were at earlier. Hold on, let me give you a quick a quick shot of where we were earlier. Hold on, right there. See that? That's right. And then Hoover Dam is just down here. Hold on, where is it? Oh, right there. You see? Ta-da! The road kind of covers it, but you know, that's what it is. And this whole building essentially is parking. So the parking is $10, and I guess that's a whole day parking. And this is, by the way, the Hoover Dam cafe. If you're ever wondering, oh, where do we park in Hoover Dam? You park here in the Hoover Dam cafe. It's not open till 9 a.m, which is like, okay, in 5 minutes. We're gonna go down there. We're gonna wait for it to open because we are just hungry. We are just thirsty, man. We are just Alright, so we just came out of the elevator there, right there. That's where the parking is. And then going down here, you can actually buy the guided power plant tour for 15 bucks. But if you want the guided dam tour, it's $30, but it's only on the visitor center. And I think the visitor center is like down there. I see the sign there. It says Hoover Dam Visitor Center Tours. Oh wait, this is around the corner. Okay, right around the corner. It says right here. Ooh, cooling station. Let's see how cool it is. It is nice and cool, but it's only hitting my legs. Right there, guys. You see that building? That's the I think that's the visitor center, so we gotta go there. Oh, right there, Hoover Dam Cafe. Alright, we are on the go towards the Hoover Dam Visitor Center. We are planning to buy the dam tour. The dam tour. So you can only buy the dam tour from the actual visitor center. So here you go. This is the way to get there. Again, you can see those metal plates up there. The one I was talking about. They're smaller, but it holds onto the mountain, making sure it doesn't the mountain doesn't move, the rock doesn't move, you know. Visitor center and tours. We are supposed to go down. Let's see. Whoa, that's a huge drop. And of course the escalator doesn't work. Why would it work? So we got the ticket. Oh, this one.
Thank you. Right
Awesome.
over to
Thank
the
you. Alright, so we got our tickets, guys. That's the entrance right there. That's where we got our tickets. And right there. So, alright, guys. We're currently in the line waiting for our actual tour. So as you can see, here's our tour mates. We're looking over the thing there. Dang. Alright. Oh wow, it's so dark. Going to the tunnels, bro. Look at this. We're underneath. Is this your rock? It's actual. Here it is. Through the tight tunnel here. Oh, hold on. Ooh. Oh dang. Is that where the water goes through? Lake Mead goes in there. Wow. Those are some huge pipes. Dang.
And what we have here is a layout of Hoover Dam and the surrounding infrastructure. The first thing they had to accomplish in 1931 to build the dam, they had to divert the Colorado River. Diverting the Colorado River required diversion tunnels. 4 diversion tunnels, 2 each within the walls of the canyon. 2 on the Arizona side, 2 on the Nevada side. Each diversion tunnel is, for example, 4,000 feet long, originally 56 feet in diameter, and is lined with 400,000 cubic yards of concrete, reducing the size down to 50 feet in diameter.
Alright, that was a cool explanation of the introduction of the dam, and now we're gonna go to the next area, like actual rock. Straight ahead. Alright, let's go. There's a lot of dark tunnels over here. Look at that. The cave ceiling. So every few meters we got these like areas with like a roof. Not sure why. Oh wow. Shoo. These are like the turbines?
Come on in, everyone. Find a spot along the balcony. Take your pictures.
Look at how big that is. Look.
And all the shafts are Francis turbines. The Francis turbines are 35 feet below the power plant floor. The water hits the turbines at about 48 miles an hour. The turbines will spin, the shaft will spin. On the top of the shaft, in that case, is a rotor. Attached to the circumference of the rotor, there are 40 electromagnets. Each magnet weighs 4 tons. So as the rotor spins in the stator, passing 5 miles of copper wiring at 180 RPMs, it produces 16,500 volts of electricity. Another generator we have here in the power plant is called the Pelton water wheel. Look down to the power plant floor. That brown device is a Pelton water wheel. It produces 2.4 megawatts of power. This station service generator, and another one just like it, which is an Arizona wing, provides all of the electricity for the internal needs of the power plant and the dam, providing electricity for the parking structure, the visitor center.
Ooh, oh wow, look at this. Dang.
Watch your head.
This is concrete. Look at this, guys. Yo. Wait. Wait, can we go out? Are we allowed to go out?
That's not pleasant.
Wow, look how far it goes, guys. Dang. Look how far it goes, guys. So apparently that was like 4 hours of 4 hours of stairs. That's what 4 hours of stairs look like, guys. Damn. Thank you for the tour.
You're welcome, guys.
Awesome tour guide. Here we go, guys. We go out right away. Wow. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Where's my boy? Oh, there he is. There he is. Hey, how was the inside?
It's pretty good, actually.
Huh? Pretty good, right? I like the oh really? Yeah, I like the tunnels a lot. Here you go, guys. This is the highway. You see it in the movies, especially Transformers, you know. They drove over here. Let's see. Let's go. Ooh, wow, look at that. Oh my gee. Anyways, guys, here you go. That's the Hoover. Gonna walk a little bit more towards the middle. That was just the side of the Hoover Dam, so we're gonna walk towards the middle. You know, better pictures.
Yeah, because along the way it's just the same.
Yeah, but that's almost good. So maybe I'll get a better. Yeah. Guys, look how straight the line of the water is. Hold on, there's like people coming. But you can see, right? Like even from here, you can see, like, you see how straight. It's like someone drew like a line in like a perfect line, horizontal line essentially. Well, alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. Hopefully you guys liked the the tour. And again, if you guys like the video, know what to do. Leave a like. Yeah, leave a like. Leave a like and sub. Hey, look at that. So we're gonna go look for a place to eat. Anyways, I'll see you guys. There you go. There's a background there of the Hoover Dam, like there. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye.